If you are planning to start a business in Utah, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Utah, even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why form an LLC in Utah? For one, you have a thriving economy. The state supports growth and innovation across multiple industries, making it an attractive place for startups and established businesses. And of course, you have asset protection. That means your personal finances like your home, car, and savings are typically protected from business troubles, adding a critical layer of financial security for many business owners. And then you have a flexible structure. This makes it easier to adapt as your business grows. And of course, you have a high success rate. Many businesses thrive long-term thanks to the Utah's supportive business ecosystem, access to resources, and pro-business policies. Okay, so first things first, you need to choose a business name for your Utah LLC. Now, you should include LLC, L.L.C. and Limited Liability Company or similar suffix in your business name. It should avoid restricted words like government, bank, insurance. It cannot imply government affiliation or use all of that without prior state approval. Now, the name must be distinguishably unique from all other existing Utah businesses to avoid confusion. And if you want to verify the availability of a specific business name that you have in your mind, all I have to do is very simple. Go to the Utah Division of Corporation, enter your desired business name. If the name is already taken, you'll need to tweak it slightly, and if there is no matching results, that means it's available and good to go. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Next is you'll need a registered agent. A registered agent receives all the legal and official documents for your LLC. They must have a physical address in Utah, P.O. box is not allowed, and must be available during normal business hours. Now, if you want to be your own registered agent, it's okay provided that you meet all the state legal requirements. You can also appoint someone you trust like an individual, friend, or relative. But what we highly suggest is to hire a professional formation service like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience because they will handle all of the paperwork for you. Now, it's time to officially form your LLC by filing the Certificate of Organization. There are two ways that you can do this. Number one option is by mail, which is a slower option, and what we highly suggest is to file it online. All I have to do is access the Utah Business Registration. You'll need to log in using your Utah ID, so make sure you have that ready before you. And then, of course, provide key information. You will be asked to fill out some basic details about your LLC. Okay, so that includes your business name, registered agent's information, and your principal business address, whether your LLC will be member managed or manager managed. Of course, you need to pay the filing fee, which is $59 non-refundable, required to process your application. And of course, one of the best parts about filing online in Utah is how fast it is. Most online applications are approved within 24 hours so you can get your business up and running very quickly. Utah doesn't require an operating agreement, but it is highly recommended because creating an operating agreement outlines the ownership percentage, member responsibilities, how profits and losses are handled. Even single member LLCs benefit from having this in writing. Next is we need to get an EIN or employer identification number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. When running an LLC in Utah, one important compliance step you need to know about is filing your beneficial ownership information or BOI report. The main goal of this requirement is to enhance corporate transparency because by collecting ownership details, the state helps prevent illegal financial activities such as fraud, money laundering, and shell company abuse. Keeping this filing up to date helps protect your LLC's good standing and avoids potential penalties. Now, if you are forming or already operating an LLC in Utah, adding BOI reporting to your compliance checklist is essential. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Utah. Now, the good news is if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple, and let's begin with the Order tab. This is essentially the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is LLC formation, and the state where you are forming your LLC, and of course, the total cost before payment. Now think of this as your checkout overview. The company section collects the basic details about your business. It includes the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of any legal notices to your attorney, and of course, the business address. Now, this information is used to officially create your LLC with the state. Now, in terms of the management section, this is how you define your LLC. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you runs the business, or a manager manage, which means a manager that you hired runs the business for you. Now, if you are not sure what management type to choose, just click the question mark icon because this helps you determine who has the authority to make decisions for the LLC. Now, if you want to add names of members or managers, you can do so. Don't worry because Northwest keeps this information private. Now, if you want to add some services like tax ID, S corporation, premium mail service, you can do that. However, if you want to skip all these, you can do that if you prefer to handle them yourself. Now, the account section is where you create your Northwest online dashboard. Provide your email address, set a password, confirm login details because once you've done that, your account lets you access state documents, receive compliance alerts, view scanned mail, and legal notices. Now, the final step where you complete your order is the payment section. You can review the credit or debit card details, the total cost, and of course, the final confirmation before submission. Because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in Utah, which is a powerful step toward protecting your personal assets, gaining credibility, and building a flexible business structure. It is a straightforward and business friendly process, especially compared to many other states, with reasonable filing fees, clear compliance rules, and strong legal protections for owners. Utah remains one of the most attractive places to launch and grow a business. Now, if you follow each step carefully and stay compliant with ongoing requirements, forming an LLC in Utah is absolutely worth it for entrepreneurs who want liability protection, tax flexibility, and long-term scalability by staying on top of annual renewals to keep your LLC in good standing. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.